Hey friends, if you encounter the issue of limited network connectivity on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the main resolution is network reset. Now, other websites list a hell lot of resolutions, but I stick to network reset and I'll tell you the reason for that. Because when you reset the network, it will reset the TCP/IP protocol. It will also reset WinSock. It will also flush the DNS. So everything is a part of the same package. So here's what you have to do. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side, click on advanced network settings, select network reset, and then click on reset now. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.